Good morning, children, and welcome to my new class. So, today we'll be starting the revision of chapter number 7, that is Coming Home to Delhi. Now, this is an extract from A Taste of India by Madhur Jafari. And in this, we see that the narrator, who is a girl who arrives Delhi after a long time, shares her experiences of childhood also, and she also tells us why Delhi is important, what all facts about Delhi are very known, and how she associates her childhood and the present life with Delhi. She also shares with us the train journey which they used to take up for arriving to Delhi, and how they used to enjoy the train journey, throwing the coins in the Jamuna river, what significance it had, why did they throw coins, and when that she narrates that incident very nicely, how they were given the coins and they used to throw the coins in the Yamuna river. Now, this story or this narrative is basically, here the train journey has been depicted, and how the old city is famous, how it is famous throughout the ancient world as the seat of the Grand Mughals. Then she also talks about the various things that are associated with the Mughals, the gardens, the water tanks, canals, then the carved marble canals that went through their palace bedrooms, and how what kind of a food they ate. Then she also talks about her grandfather's house, where there were more than 30 members, how they used to go for family picnics, and how they used to get into the cars, what all things were carried along with them, then how the preparations for the picnic were made, what all things like puris were taken, then tomato sauce, potatoes, warm moist meatballs, and jars of pickles were taken. So, all these things. So, this is about their picnic. Then she also shares how she used to take the tiffin box to school when she was a child, what all things she used to carry, and how the box was packed. Now, when we move on to understanding the text, they have divided the text according to the paragraphs. So, you should know just that which paragraph is telling about what. What do the children enjoy most during the train journey? That was probably throwing the coins in the Yamuna river. Then, how did the author describe the sight of the city as the train enters it? So, in the very first paragraph, they have described as soon as the train enters the city Delhi, it looks beautiful like a scenery where the sun is shining brightly and the city looks beautiful as if it has been, on a canvas it has been drawn. So, I hope you have understood it. Please go through the chapter. Please go through all the word meanings very nicely. You'll be definitely getting word meanings for your exams, and the basic questions, basic things which have been discussed here. So have a nice day and keep learning.